Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you a puff flower for sweaters, for blanket, cardigan jacket video you can watch on my YouTube channel Crochet-crosia. Now in this video I will show you a flower, puff flower. Let us start. I am using two of the colors, pink and blue, double knit medium weight 4-ply wool and 4mm crochet hook. Let us start. Make a loop, make a magic circle, here make a chain 1, we don't count this chain 1, and single crochet in the circle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Single crochet 12 in the circle. In the first single crochet, slip stitch. Now here we are going to make a puff in the flower. 2 chains in the same stitch. Repeat double crochet cluster. Here incomplete double crochet 1 time, 2 times and 3 times in the same stitch. Now I have 4 loops. In the next stitch repeat the same 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 loops. Now altogether 7 loops and close with a slip stitch and 2 chains in the same stitch, make a slip stitch here. Now repeat the same work, 2 chains, and in the next single crochet stitch repeat 3 times double crochet cluster. I have 4 loops and repeat in the next stitch 3 times. 1, 2 and 3. I have 7 loops. Make together with the slip stitch, close a stitch and make 2 chains. In the same stitch make a slip stitch. Here are 2 puffs. In the next stitches repeat 4 more times the same work. 2 chains in the next stitch, make a double crochet cluster. 3 times repeat here in the stitch and 3 times repeat in the next stitch. 1, 2, 3. 7 loops altogether, 2 chains and slip stitch in the stitch here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 petals. Finish with the long tails for sewing and close tight middle of this flower. Now make a middle puff here Okay, now from here make a loop, chains here 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Skip 2 chains in the second chain, follow the same work. Make a cluster, 3 times repeat in the same stitch. I have 4 loops, and in the next last chain repeat 3 times again the same work. Here 7 loops, close with a chain 1. In here cut a yarn here and slip stitch to finish here. Now in the flower middle attach use a hook, attach here with the tails, one side and other here. Fluff flower is ready. Now close tails, knot here 2 or 3 times and cut out these tails and leave this one long tail for sewing. Finish here, sew and attach flowers in the sweater or in the blanket. This video you can watch on my YouTube channel. Sweater or cardigan jacket. This cardigan sweater video you can watch on my YouTube channel. Like and share this video. For more videos, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for new videos. Thanks for watching.